This is a tutorial video about the Plasma Pro. After you receive the machine, please take all the components out of the case. This is the handpiece of your machine. Connect the treatment probe to the front, then long press the button to start the treatment. Connect the handpiece to the back of the machine. Insert the tube from the gas cylinder. Then, turn on the valve and gas regulator. On the back of the machine, there is a dial to control the volume of gas during treatment, which is usually set around 90% to 100%. Plug in the power cord, then turn on the power switch. Start the machine. You will then enter the front page. On this page, you may select the hyperplasma probes based on the size of the treatment area. These 3 probes are designed to improve skin texture and encourage collagen and elastin synthesis, supporting skin tightening, firming, and overall comprehensive skin health. The next section is about the microneedling probe, which utilizes cold plasma combined with microneedling to resurface the skin. Please note, the microneedling probe is single-use. You must use a new probe for each treatment. The Diamond Plasma Probe will enhance skin elasticity and tighten sagging areas for improved firmness. The next 2 probes are hot plasma probes, ideal for treatments such as neck and eyelid lifts, as well as abdominal skin tightening. They may also be used for skin tags. Ozone plasma disinfects the skin and scalp to treat infections, promotes healing, and targets conditions such as vitiligo, fungal infections, and acne by accelerating skin regeneration. The Plasma Jet tip uses fine needle tips to stimulate collagen production, rejuvenate the skin, and reduce wrinkles. On the second page, you may adjust the treatment parameters. Continuous mode is used for large area scanning. If your client feels the treatment is too intense, please choose intermittent mode. Energy is usually set around level 4. Please adjust based on the condition. At the bottom, you will see the timer and counter. Tap Start on the screen to begin treatment. Align the notch of the treatment probe and make sure it is fully installed. Clean the skin, then you may start your treatment. Long press the button when you are 1 to 2 millimeters away from the skin. Do not keep the probe on the same spot for more than 2 seconds. Before using microneedling on a large area, please shave and clean the skin. Applying numbing cream is suggested. Use the valve to turn off the gas cylinder when not using the machine.